Meanwhile, with mere weeks to go before the FIFA Women's World Cup, it appears that all is not well in the Reggae Girlz camp. A release was posted on social media pages of several of the players today, detailing what they described as their utmost disappointment with the Jamaica Football Federation. The players say they have met with the federation to express their concerns over subpar planning, transportation, accommodation, training conditions, compensation, nutrition, and access to proper resources. The players also say they have repeatedly shown up without contractually agreeing on compensation, and that timelines for those payments have been missed. Missed FIFA windows and confusion over a pre-World Cup camp have also angered the players. The players ended the release by stating their commitment to representing Jamaica at the FIFA showpiece. The Reggae Girlz have mounted similar protests in the past after falling out with the governing body for local football, with the most recent coming just ahead of last year's CONCACAF Championship, where they historically qualified for back-to-back World Cups. The Jamaicans are drawn in Group F at the World Cup alongside France, Brazil and fellow CONCACAF team Panama, scheduled for July 20 to August 20. Meanwhile, President of the JFF is describing the latest incident as unfortunate as they spoke as a unit at the trip in England.
They wanted a breakdown of the FIFA support fund that was provided. They wanted extra number of tickets for games. We had actually committed to that. There were some funds that were outstanding, and we made a commitment that the reimbursables we were in a position to pay. Today I spoke with Jensen, and he updated me on that, and he did say that we had paid as much as all those claims that were substantiated. They also requested that when they're playing home games, that they walk out with the girls.
Speaking on Radio Jamaica Sports this evening, Ricketts further said that the federation has been trying to get the girls friendly matches.
We had actually tied up a game with Colombia. The day that we planned the game for would have been June 25. That day, the stadium, Normandy based facility, would have been available. So we looked at an alternative, which was June 29. The coach did say that he would rather have a camp because he wants the girl to take a break and then go home, then go straight down to Amsterdam, where we are now trying to get a game. I've tied up a game with Morocco in Australia.
Ricketts adds that today's action caught the federation by surprise, and it would seem the prior information was not passed on to the girls.